Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. President Donald Trump's tariffs are expected to have a worldwide ripple effect. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, forecasts global economic growth will slow to 2.8% in 2025. That's far below the historical average and down from the 3.3% from last year. The IMF's World Economic Outlook also predicts the U.S. economy will increase 1.8%, a full point less than it did in 2024. The analysts say this lack of financial expansion is largely due to the Trump administration's back-and-forth tariff policies and the counter-actions taken by U.S. trading partners. To a TVJ News follow-up now on the ongoing trade war between USA and China. This evening, we get the views of plant operators in China. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson is in China, a place that forms the part of the heartland of the manufacturing in China, and filed this report.
These are the factories that will face the brunt of the ongoing trade war between the USA and China. The high-performance tractors and spare parts made here at YTO in Henan province won't make it into the USA easily anymore.
Because the tariffs now, so when exporting to USA, it will cost a lot. The tariffs. It's not very easy to export to America.
The plan, therefore, is to pivot and put more focus on the other markets in the West, such as Central and South America, as well as the Caribbean.
Awesome. So we have the business in Brazil and Cuba, and the main countries in North America and Middle America countries, we have the business in this part.
But I think our tractor is very suitable to Latin America countries, and also in Africa and Asia is very popular.
At the same time, markets closer to home offer added opportunities too. I watched as containers were loaded with spare tractor parts and loaded onto a train. These orders will be transported from China to the neighboring Uzbekistan. Now, while the trade war continues to be fought by politicians, every day these factory workers do what they have control over, diligently and efficiently producing top-quality machines.
Each day we, maybe the high horsepower tractor, we made more than maybe range from 180 to 200 horsepower for high horsepower tractor. And then the middle size is 200 horsepower. So in the accumulation, we can make more than 400 horsepower per day.
It is industrialization on the grandest level. What started basically as a piece of metal frame, it passes through about 50 workers, and in about 25 minutes, it becomes a high-speed tractor. It is how China became the world leader.
It represented the most advanced technology in tractor in China.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
The Jamaican currency struggled again in trading today. Trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.06. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.70. The pound is going for $211.30, while the euro is selling for an average $183.16. The JSE index advanced by 1,927 points, while the junior market index advanced by 18 points. Among the 45 winners were One Great Studio Company, Express Catering, G West Corporation, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, and Pulse Investments. The 46 losers were led by Elite Diagnostics, JPS 7% preference shares, KLE Group, JMMB 7.15% preference shares, and MFS Capital Partners. 21 stocks traded firm. And that's the business day. News from overseas after the break.